Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bagels from scratch. First, activate your yeast by combining warm water, sugar, and yeast, letting it sit for 5 minutes. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together your bread flour and salt. Gradually add the yeast mixture to the dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a floured surface and knead for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and divide it into 12 equal pieces. Each piece should weigh approximately 4 ounces for consistent bagels. Roll each piece into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to poke a hole through the center, stretching it slightly to create the classic bagel shape. Now for the crucial boiling step. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add 1 tablespoon of malt syrup for that authentic bagel chew. Carefully drop your shaped bagels into the boiling water, cooking them for 60 seconds on each side. Remove them with a slotted spoon and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. You can add your favorite toppings now. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Once baked, transfer your delicious bagels to a wire rack and let them cool completely. This step is essential for achieving that perfect chewy texture. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days, or freeze them for longer enjoyment. For more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. Also, if you're looking for a fantastic read that could truly change your financial perspective, there's a book linked there you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.